Hey guys, it's Mr. Walters. I have been trying to find a YouTube video for what I want to teach you guys today, and I can't find one, so I'm just going to make it myself, okay? So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to do a little bit sight reading. The first step of sight reading is to write in the solfege for each note, okay? We're always in C major, which means C is Do. What else do I need to say? We're always going to be in 4/4 time for the time being. So behind me I have a board with a sight reading example or practice, and I'm gonna help you guys label this. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna flip the camera so you can see as I'm looking at it. Okay, you guys are in my elementary school classroom, by the way. This is a smear I wrote on the board, and I tried to erase it, and it's not erasing, even though it should. This is a whiteboard projection, so I can write on this whiteboard. It's just the eraser I have is not very good. Anyways, moving on. So we're gonna do one measure at a time. We're gonna solfege this whole thing, and then you guys are gonna have a new assignment to do on Schoology for your assignment for today. Okay. So, anyways, this is C. We are in the key of C, which means this is Do. We almost always start on Do when we do solfege. So, this is Do. Okay, I'm gonna write all the solfege right down here so we can use that as a reference. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. I'm trying to balance what I'm seeing with my hand and what you guys are seeing with the camera. So that's the whole solfege ladder. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, so as a reference, this is obviously Do, but the next note is not Re because it's skipping the note that should be in the space, which is this one. So that's going to be Re. We know that's Re because it's just above Do, but it's below what? It's below Mi. So this is Mi. And this one is the same as the first one, which means this is Do. I have terrible handwriting when I'm using a camera on the other hand. All right, so that's the first measure, Do, Mi, Do, Re. Here's the next measure. It starts on Do, which is nice for us. Do. The next one is on the first line of the staff, which, if we remember back to this one, it's Mi. So this is Mi. The next note is, if you count up from Mi up to here, Mi, that would be Fa. The line would be Sol. After Sol comes La. So the second space from the bottom is La. And right below La, this line right here, is Sol. Okay? Now we're going to go down from Sol. What's right below Sol? Fa. Correct. What goes down from Fa? Mi. We have two Mi's, in fact. And we go down from Mi. What's right before Mi in the solfege? Do, re, mi, re. Re came right before Mi. So there we go. We have another of the same note, so that means that's Re as well. And down from Re is Mi. I'm sorry, no it's not, it's Do. 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 Going up from Do is Re again. And now we have a big jump. We're going to jump from Re to whatever that note is. We can do two things. We can either count up 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a fourth of a jump. Or we can just look back and see if there was a note on that line before. And there was. It was this one. It's Sol. Sol. But the other way to do it is just go from Re. That line would be Mi. The space would be Fa. And then it would be Sol. Let's try that same technique for this next note. This is Sol. The space above it would be La. The line above that would be Ti. And the space above that would be Do. This is high Do. And there's two of them. Do. Looks more like a P, but that's okay. All right. And if you look, those two notes are the same. So that means this is Sol. And we go up from Sol, which is la. After la is ti, then do, then la again, because it's 2 down from do. 1, 2, and then from la to this note is 2 more down. So we're going to just go from la, skip sol, and go to fa. We got 2 more to go. From fa up, sol. 2 up from sol, because you're skipping the space. So la ti. Up from ti is do. Down from do is ti. Down from ti is la. Down from la is sol. 2 down from sol, because you're skipping that space right there. You're skipping that. Would be mi. That space that we skipped is fa. And then down from mi to this one, we always know this is do. Okay? So, that's the whole solfege for this example. Okay? Now, for your assignment, you're going to get a screenshot of an example just like this. It's going to be a little bit different though. And there's going to be boxes. Instead of a lower staff here, you're going to have empty boxes for every measure. And you have to find the correct answer for each measure. I'm going to have a bunch of answers. For example, I have an answer for that says do, mi, do, re. I'll have an answer that says do, mi, la, sol. Down at the bottom here, and you have to click and drag and put it in the right box, okay? You'll understand what I mean when you see it. It's really simple, okay? So, have a good day. Good luck. If you have any questions, you can always email me. You know my email, walterp@dearbornschools.org. See you tomorrow.